If the entire universe, with its billions of galaxies and trillions of stars, was once compressed into a space smaller than a single atom, where did that immense energy come from? Modern science calls this the singularity, the moment where time begins and the laws of physics completely break down. In our last episode, we stood at the edge of the 0 point, where nothingness and existence met. Now we must go one step further. We must look at the precise moment of transition, the moment when the unmanifested became the manifested. Thousands of years ago, the Vedic seers described a primordial container of infinite potential. They called it the Hiranyagarbha, the golden womb. And what they wrote about it reads less like a hymn and more like a theoretical physics paper on the early universe.
हिरण्यगर्भः संवर्तताग्रे भूतस्य जातः पतिरेक आसीत् सदाधार पृथिवीं द्यामुतेमां कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम.
In the beginning, the golden womb evolved. Born, he was the sole lord of all existence. He established the earth and this heaven, to which deity shall we offer our worship. The term Hiranyagarbha is composed of two powerful words. Hiranya means golden, honor, radiant light, and Garbha means womb, the source, literally the radiant source. In modern astrophysics, the singularity is described as a point of infinite temperature and infinite density, the ultimate seed of existence. The Vedas invite us to consider that this was not a cold, mechanical event, but a hiranya, a golden radiance of pure energy. This golden womb was the cosmic singularity, a point of zero volume that nonetheless contained the DNA of every star that would ever burn. Before the Big Bang, there was no space and no time. There was only potential. The Rig Veda describes the emergence of Prajapati from within this radiant womb. Prajapati, the lord of created beings, he represents the first wave of consciousness, the internal intelligence that commanded the singularity to expand. Physics tells us that in the first fraction of a second, the universe underwent cosmic inflation, space expanding at a rate that defied our understanding of speed on flight. This is the moment the golden womb bursts. The transition from stillness to chaos is the birth of the Bhautik Jagat, the physical world. Quantum physics suggests that a vacuum is never truly empty. It is a field of fluctuating energy, always on the edge of becoming something. The Hiranyagarbha represents this high energy state just before the quantum leap into manifestation. Imagine the immense pressure within that golden womb, the desire of the universe to be seen, to be felt, and to be known. The seers did not see this as a random explosion. They saw it as an evolution of order from a singular divine point. When we look at the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, we are essentially looking at the fading warmth of that original Hiranyagarbha, the residue of a light so bright that it created space itself as it moved. The Vedic sages use the metaphor of a womb deliberately, because a womb implies protection, nurturing, and a specific information code that determines what the child will become. In the same way, the laws of physics, gravity, electromagnetism, the nuclear forces, were all coded within that initial singularity. This brings us to a profound realization. If we all emerged from the same Hiranyagarbha, then the separation we feel today is an illusion. We are all fragments of that original radiant light. The atoms in your body were forged in the heat of that first expansion. You are not just in the universe, you are a continuation of that singular golden moment of birth. But what was the catalyst? What was the spark that moved the stillness into motion? The Vedas suggest that before the first atom was formed, there was an impulse, a a cosmic desire that acted as the first observer. If the Hiranyagarbha was the fuel, what was the spark? In our next episode, We will dive into the mystery of the first desire, where quantum observation meets the ancient power of cosmic intent. The journey into the mind of the universe is just beginning.